Hello, today we're going to be doing an install on this Encore Dryer by LaundryLux. The first step of any successful ShinePay installation is to make sure that the power is removed. We can see that there's nothing indicating here, which indicates that the power has been removed. With us today, we have an LLCD1 LaundrySpark and our number 33 harness, along with our service key. So we're going to open this up. And we're just gonna pull this open and kind of let this rest over here. We're gonna take our harness, and if we go back there, we should see that the coin acceptor is plugged in to the machine, and the connectors just come apart. We could plug the harness into the machine like this, with this one connector over here. And then we're going to take this connector if we want to keep coins and plug it into the coin acceptor back there. This is the power connector, and we're just going to plug this into this connector here, and then plug our LaundrySpark into the harness like that, and try to secure it somewhere in here with some tape or Velcro or something that you could secure it with, making sure the wires are not touching the drum. Then we're going to just put this back in. Turn that, secure the compartment here, and we're ready to set our LaundrySpark up in Shine Insights. Thank you for watching.